Na ano ba po kabalen? Kumusta kayo po? Ako po yung Louis Season.
Ako yung Mark Kunanan, ng Pampanga.
Kumusta kayo po ngayon po nga doon ngayon at kami kayo ng SM City Telabastagan. So, and we were invited day before na ning
Grand opening
na ning
itong milk tea shop kin. It is Chachago.
Actually, Chachago is originally from Taiwan.
Yes.
And dito kalapa mo ring branches na actually kayo ng Pampanga. Gonna be taste testing before the grand launch tomorrow. Mag-dry run lang mo naman din kaya katamong abek and hopefully atakman nyo lang mo naman and ito experience sabi na stay in the moment, it's pure and simple as that. So itatakman tala, we'll go to our table and milk tea day.
Alright, tara, let's go!
Alright, okay. So, before we get into our cups today, siguro pakasabihan tayo para kami Salvatore. Ang aman-man kong friend tamo foreigner na mig-invite kaya katamo kin. So, watch this video. Alright, so guys, I'm with our friend Salvatore. He's one of the guys who's responsible bringing Chachago here in Pampanga. Thank you so much for inviting us. So, Sir Salvatore, I only have one question. So, for us Kapampangans, what are we gonna expect from Chachago?
For Chachago, for sure you will expect top quality fresh ingredients.
Amazing, amazing. Would you like to invite our viewers?
I would like to invite all our Kapampangan and to visit our store and please try our fresh and beautiful milk tea. And I know you guys will love it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, man. Oh, ito. Thank you so much, Salvatore, for inviting us. And we have like more than 12 cups of free taste for today.
Kauda mo? Manda na lang.
Manda na lang. So, ano kaya?
Siyempre ako,
Fruit tea.
kami din kayo, California mix fruit tea. Ito niyang passion fruit, ito niyang lemon, orange, apple, and pineapple.
So medium is 130 pesos. 140 pesos naman itang karelang large. So yung kanako naman is, abi yung kanilang cold beverages, ining karelang lychee drink. Give it a good stir. So ako naman since lychee yan, akit sa'yo talagang real lychee fruit. Wow. Alright. So next to taste guys, na ining karelang Chachago taro with milk tea. So, and this one is 130 pesos. So pansinan nyo guys, atin yung real taro. It's not powder, it's not liquid flavoring for taro, but it's real taro and pearl.
Ikaw? Kanako, lychee milk.
Ikaw ko guys, tayo pa mo steer bangan to. Atakman tayo itang talagang lasa na itang taro. Wow! Interesting again, itang sweetness na. It's not too sweet. Aliya mo naman matabang. Para ka na ako. And then since sali tayo ginogo, yung gawa mo, tikman tayo tantaro na. It has a native taste. Kasi balang lalasa yung Kapampangan kakanin mga yan. Interesting, hindi ko pa may kataman natin kanina. Ikan na niya.
Lychee milk.
So from here, from Maanini,
Dininandang milk.
dinindihan mo naman na.
Sapit.
Okay. Okay guys, now so this time what we're gonna do is we're gonna ask Salvatore to join us.
Hello guys.
Salva, this is your cup. Let's try.
Let's dig in.
Let's dig in.
Wow. Wow. Amazing.
Amazing, right?
You guys need to come and try this amazing drink. Please, tomorrow.
I agree.
Buy one, get one.
I agree.
Salute.
Thanks, Salva.
Thank you very much,
Alright.
guys. Bye.
Alright, so another 2 cups came in. So this is the roasted brown sugar. And then it's the brown sugar. So this is their, again, best sellers na po rin. And you should try it. Here, potangin mo balo nung nanong order mo. So this was for you. Alright, so let's try it. So this one is, I think, black tea ginamit na rin because it's really strong for the tea. And then, for you to enjoy it really, you have to stir. Baka na miyabe-yabe itang brown sugar. How about you?
Yaman itong pearl.
Okay.
Then, yung ko ang ito, apit na roasted. Kinain niya pa.
Wow.
Tinorch din pa.
Torch, that's the word.
So it's added flavor kitang mismong brown sugar.
Wow.
Nyam.
Chachago is opening on November 15. For every drink that you buy, you get 1 Chachago Pearl Milk Tea for free. Medium size ito na. So, if you like tea, this is another option for you to check out. At yung po yung SM City Telabastagan, second floor. And Chachago again is from Taiwan. So, there you have it guys. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out. Bye. Cheers, man.
Good. Sarap siya. Must try. Really.
Kanyaman niya po, lalo na yung pearl na, sobra yung kalambot. Compare ka rin ariwang milk tea na atry ko. Mas try niya po yung Chachago. Very flavorful siya, tama-tama lang yung lasa niya. Tapos, pang high-end na milk tea yung lasa niya.
So, Salvas also want to try that, right?
This is my favorite. I'm a coffee lover,
Coffee
so I
lover.
can tell you if it's good or not. I don't lie. See? Wow, sobrang masarap. Please, balik bukas, 11 o'clock a.m.
Punta bukas. Punta bukas.
Okay, guys.
Thanks, Salva.